Hello, Chef here. So today we're working with swordfish. Oh, look at this swordfish. It's beautiful. These are center cut loin fillets, wild caught USA swordfish from the Atlantic Ocean. They're really nice. So chefs, as you may know, only buy fish when it's super fresh. You have to touch it, you have to smell it, you have to check it out and know your source. So anyway, moving right along here, I like to season swordfish with a little bit of pepper blend. A little bit of sea salt. Just a little. A little bit of fresh lemon is going on there. We're also going to put a little bit of Cajun seasonings, just a touch, as well as a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit on there. And after I put all these flavorings onto the fish, good idea to rub it in like this. You want it to penetrate a little bit as well as coat the entire fish. You can do both sides if you like. I'm just doing the one side. The other side I will hit with a little olive oil, and stay tuned, follow along. Okay, we got a hot grill pan ready to go here. Swordfish is going right in. Oh, a few facts here. Some people like to eat swordfish raw or rare or different things like that. Trust me, tastes best medium to medium well. Yeah. Yeah. So we cook the fish just until it's firm. Chef here, yet a few more tricks to show you here. These were my leftover cucumbers. Put them in little knots like this. Okay, it's a nice garnish. We're going to start with some of these sliced, beautiful cucumbers that I made. And we're going to go just in a nice circle around the plate like this.